Hey, it's Charlie Cadaver again. I'm just showing you guys how to make cheap holders from a Walmart dish rack made by Rubbermaid. It is a small, but you can also get the bigger size. And if you cut it just right, you can make trays for wrenches, or my favorite is for my pliers, dikes, diagonal cutters, whatever you want to call them, vice grips, needle nose, the whole 9 yards. I have done 2 of them so far. Here's the large one for the bigger, thicker ones, and this is the small one that I just showed you the remaining frame of for the smaller, just regular everyday pliers, needle nose, dikes. So, something that would hold your pliers like this off a tool truck would probably cost you about, well, I know from Snap-on it's about 60 bucks. So, again, this is the middle bottom part of a dish rack. That's steel, small wire type from Walmart, anywhere you want. Rubbermaid, $5 versus $60 from the tool truck. See? And there's the other one, and it's nice and strong. It holds all of them, and trust me, this is about 10 pounds of pliers, vice grips, channel locks. So, and look how much it holds and keeps them nice and tight, and you can even leave a space in between the two, and you could have another spot for pliers. One more extra spot. So, I got a total of $11 invested in these two, and that is a very small fraction of what you would buy off the tool truck for them. Now, I just got the idea to cut the side up from the same dish rack for my Snap-on flare nuts, and as you can see, this is the result. However, I'm not too happy with how they lay out here, so I'm going to probably find, I don't know, maybe a screwdriver, something with a thicker handle or something to use for this to organize. Let's see, this was one of the plastic holders that came with wrenches. I don't remember, from a long time ago, probably some cheap Taiwan shit, but I like this one because it holds them, oops, nice and tight, and it was free with the wrenches, and it keeps them straight up and down, so it's even more of a space saver instead of diagonal like this one I got from Harbor Freight. And this metal one here, see, for $5 at Harbor Freight. However, I'm not too thrilled with it. Not, but it does pretty good at holding my big wrenches. But Walmart Rubbermaid dish rack for $5 or $6, depending on the small or the large, and you just cut it up very easily. You make sure that you cut and leave the solid line ends. See the bar that goes across here, and right there, oh, dropping more crap. That's where you want to cut. Very simple. Just grab your pair of dikes, which I ended up using these old channel lock ones, but they're still nice, sharp. So but any decent set of dikes will cut through them. So enjoy on saving lots of money and organizing your toolbox, because you know you start running out of room very quickly when you do everything from top to bottom on vehicles. And here's how I got my sockets. These ones come from Harbor Freight. They're $10 and they come with 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch. I like them better than these ones that are $16 a piece from Sears. So enjoy.